it's not absolute, but when you're in a bench press competition, you can figure that the Wilks points are correlated very close to kilos. So a 10 Wilks point advantage is about a 12 kilo advantage. So in order to make up for that, Brandon's going to have to hit an attempt probably about 28 pounds, 33 pounds more. Now Clint Pori, this is one of the top bench pressers in the country.
He was on Mega Force from America's Got Talent. That's why you recognize him. He was on national TV. 37 seconds, 419 pounds. Clint Pori, Albany, Kentucky. Fire it up like some Kentucky bourbon, Clint. Let's rock.
419-pound opener for Clint Pori. In the heavyweight division right now, the first place in the heavyweight division is James Hall. So this lift right here for Clint would actually move him into second place, so he would be in the money. We've still got one lifter coming after him. Very strong opener for Clint. I would suspect 200 kilos will be in the cards for him today. So he's going to definitely be here. We'll watch a replay of this lift. You'll actually notice that he drives it up in a good groove. And in this division, we have Clint Pori, who's currently in second place. He's currently in second place based off of the Wilks. And we talked about earlier, James Hall, Clint Pori, and John Jones are within 1 Wilks point of each other. So these next benches will all determine on who goes home with 550 and who goes home with 200 and who goes home with nothing. Based on what we saw earlier, Clint looked like he had more left in him. This is a nice 15-pound jump. I think this should be within his capabilities, but this will push him a little bit. As you can see, he did have to work a little bit. It was not a max lift, but he now has moved. He got 2-to-1 decision. I'm not sure what the red was for. But let's watch this lift again. From my looks of it, that looks like a good lift. So after these few final benchers, we're going to do a little bit of a wrap-up of what we watched. And then we will take actually a 10-minute break from the live broadcast, Cunningham Camp broadcast of the 2016 Summer Showdown. So we got money on the line right here. Clint Pori, this is interesting because if he misses this lift, he gets zero money. He drops to third place. So his whole account balance is on, can he lock this lift out? No lift for Clint Pori. So what that means is James Hall gets second, and now John Jones has first place wrapped up. John Jones already has the money in first, but this will add. He's already got it wrapped up. You could see there, Clint Pori really gave that a good run. It was just 2.5 kilos too much, but it was actually the attempt that he needed